Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to enable and disable solo tracks in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia. Import the videos you want to edit. Drag the imported videos into the timeline to create separate tracks. Right-click on the track you want to isolate. Select Enable Solo Track. This will mute all other tracks, allowing you to focus on the selected track. Right-click on the track that is currently soloed. Select Disable Solo Track to unmute all tracks again. While a track is soloed, right-click on any other track. Select Enable All Tracks. This will unmute all tracks even while the previous track remains soloed. Right-click on any track. Select Disable All Solo Tracks to unmute all tracks and remove any soloing effects. By following these steps, you can easily control which tracks are muted and soloed in your Camtasia project. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.